Chest infections are normal just as regular colds and coughs. It's not necessary to treat the mucus in the chest with medications or any kind of medical intervention. But those suffering from it can try these natural home remedies that may help them cope with the contagion. Take a look at the following natural remedies. Chest infection. The buildup of mucus in the chest and inflammation is generally called chest infection. It can lead to various unpleasant signs, such as wheezing, sleep difficulties, sore throat, and congestion in the chest, commonly accompanied by mucus/cough that brings up phlegm. However, some cough in the chest is normal, but an excessive cough can be a cause for concern for your health. A chest infection is just like a virus that affects your lungs. However, this condition varies as per different bodies. The mucus in the chest has a range of signs including chest pain, chest pressure, continuous cough. Chest infections are the results of viruses, fungi, bacteria. Steam. Steam can help you reduce the severity of chest infection and expel phlegm. Inhale the steam deeply produced from a vaporizer or several cups of boiled water. Eucalyptus, Nilgiri oil. Eucalyptus, Nilgiri oil, is an excellent remedy to get rid of chest infections, owing to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil into a bowl of steaming water. Lean over it and breathe deeply for several minutes. Thyme juice. A powerful expectorant, thyme juice is excellent for the lungs. Not only does it move excess mucus out of the lungs to ease the cough, but it also acts as an antispasmodic on lung tissue and kills bacteria in the lungs. Garlic. Garlic can be used to reduce the severity of a bacterial chest infection. It can be used in food preparations, eaten with raw garlic, or added to tea. To make garlic tea, add a teaspoon of freshly grated garlic to 1 cup of boiling water. Ginger and honey. Grate ginger and squeeze half a teaspoon of its juice. Combine it with a teaspoon of honey to make a syrup of the 2 natural ingredients. Consume the syrup thrice a day and you will get rid of the chest infection. Milk, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, and honey. Take 1 glass of hot milk. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper powder, and 1 spoon of honey to the milk. Drink the milk hot, at least thrice a day to get relief from a chest infection.